Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are setting up my planner for the month of December. We're gonna plan in the monthly spread. We're gonna put in fact, we'll probably do this part first. Put my Christmas journaling pages in, and of course, change the cover. So let's do that first. Goodbye fall cover. You were beautiful. So I still have a Happy Planner cover on here just because I like the added stability. I don't know. I just do. This fall cover would be beautiful. And I kind of want to use them as dividers when I'm not like using them as a cover. I don't know. I haven't thought totally about that, but these covers are from Coffee Planner Mom. It's pretty. It's very pretty. All right, so that was the easy part. December. My sticky note of important information. I think we will actually put the journal part in the back. What I'm calling the back. Now we get to see how well I punched things. So this was part of a printable haul from Lights Planner Action. And I mentioned in that video that my paper cutter is not great. So I gotta get, my favorite paper cutter that I have is my Cricut one. And I don't mean my Cricut machine. Obviously that cuts paper too. But I have a Cricut paper cutter. And the blade is just done. It's just done. So I just need to buy a new little blade to go on there. So that's why you might notice some of the pages are a little wonky. I may do some trimming on them as I journal. I'm not super concerned. I mean, I feel like for my first time with a printable, not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. And then I was going to use this, I figured like this would be a good divider, but we're going to cover up where it says party. I think we'll just use, so this is the monthly kit that I got from Exomama Plans. And this time I just got the basic kit. I didn't get the extras. I'm going to use one of the glitter guys. Put him here, and I may not even write anything on it. And I know on the other side it'll still say party. Do I want to put the gold one? That way if I want to write on it, I can. If I don't want to, I don't have to. That'll be my, but yeah, this one needs a little bit of a trim. But we'll get to that later. December. All right, now let us get to the monthly spread. I can't believe I've been in this planner for 18 months. Like this layout, oh, I grabbed the Currently page. The Currently page is not going to be a Currently page this time. I think it's going to be my movie sheet. But so exciting. So yeah, and this time I think I'm gonna do what I saw Gail do, which is just kind of lower it a little bit, because these are sized for Erin Condren's. They are not sized for the Happy Planner. I mean, I guess I could put you here and the other one there. Oh, let me see something here. Like, why not? They are the same size sticker. Would I rather have you here I don't think it actually matters. Upside down. As you can imagine, because you've heard me say it over and over and over again, December is a busy month for music teachers. Busy, busy. So, I want to make sure I don't forget things. I actually had what I call a planner meeting with my husband. Because it is just that busy. And I was like, we're going to forget something if we don't do this. Because between his office parties, I should keep you close by so I know how to line you up. Just above the second one. That looks pretty good. I'll take that. Anyway, there's just a lot going on. So we got to make sure we don't forget, hey, this is happening, or that's happening, or this party, or like, oh, office party, oh, school party. I really do like her monthly kits. It makes it simple to just get a lot of decorations done, but I don't know, it's kind of nice to have it done for me. Like, use this kit. I'm going to go ahead and put the date dots down on these top ones because, well, I took out part of the square. 3, 2, and 1. I'm going to wait to do the rest because I might use some of the full boxes in them. And this is where sticky note comes into play. Okay. The second we have Bud's office party, and ooh, this is perfect. It's Goodie Table Day. So we do at my school something called Goodie Table Day, and that's where an assigned grade level or group of teachers brings in treats on the first Friday of the month. So, Goodie Table Day. Concert. I feel like I should use these guys for concert. Staff party. I don't know why I have that there. Oh, that's from my husband's schedule. So school, last day of school is here. Stick over there. And I think we do the stars for the 5th and the 6th. Let's use her little holiday covers. Because why not? I think what I'll do is I'll actually do it like this, and then we'll put the date covers on. And then this guy, break begins there. And let's put the date dot. So I know I've been quiet for a little bit, but this part we will speed through. That came out cute. All right, let's look at what other bullet points and stuff we need to take care of. So it's the last day of school. Break begins. Oh, we also have, oh, I forgot, there's one more thing here. I don't know if we can fit it all there. Maybe we put it over here. I don't know. We'll make sure it works. We'll figure it out. We got concerts. My mom is getting a new bed. Dad has his allergy shot. We have a doctor's appointment there for Dad. And yeah, I think those are the big things. Trying to decide, do I want to decorate that guy? Oh, and the 16th is staff party as well. I don't know if I'm going to that one or not. We'll see. That's an iffy one. All depend on the weather. Let's do our paydays, because that's always fun. So we get paid on the 5th. Let's see. And the 21st. And then Pink Zebra payday is the 10th. Our Fridays are like booked. Put him with the doctor's appointment. Why not? In fact, we'll do it like that. top. And we will call it good there, my friends. And if I want to use some of these washi flags elsewhere, I can do that. Everything is done. Yay. Yay, journaling pages. Yay, monthly spread. Life's pretty good. So this kit, like I said, was from Exomama Plans. I'll put a link in the description to her site, just because I'm guessing as you're seeing this video, you're probably not going to want to buy a December monthly, but you might want to buy like January or February. So again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. I'll catch y'all on the next one.